to the 2009 NBA Draft. The Utah Jazz are on the clock. Here's a team that had 148 combined games missed to injury. They lost in the first round to the Los Angeles Lakers. Jerry Sloan is not only the longest tenured head coach in basketball, he's the longest tenured head coach in sports. Here's their pick at number 21. Commissioner David Stern with the pick of the Utah Jazz.
With the 20th pick in the 2009 NBA Draft, the Utah Jazz select Eric Maynor from Virginia Commonwealth University.
Maynor, the all-time leader in scoring and assists in Virginia Commonwealth history, the two-time CAA Player of the Year. What do you like about him, Jay Billis?
Well, he's a true point guard, and he's got a great feel for the game. When he gets into the lane, he's got this old-school game. He's got a runner and a floater. He's about 6'2 and a half, 6'3", so he's got good size for a point guard. Not great size, but good. He doesn't really have long arms or anything like that. He's not super athletic, but he has great change of pace and change of direction. He's a very good leader. Understands how to play pick-and-roll basketball, and he understands how to win. He is unafraid to take big shots, and he is unafraid to make big shots, and has done so throughout his career. Very good passer, very good in transition, but I really like the old school nature of his game. He's one of those guys that understands how to play, and in the NBA, I don't think that can be overstated.
Robert, the biggest thing that Eric Maynor did in his college career was hitting a game-winning shot to beat Duke in the first round of the 2007 NCAA tournament.